Hey everyone, Rod from Outback Armour. Today I'm actually going to run you through our complete snatch kit that we have on the market. So we actually have 4 of these kits available in different sizes. So you've got your 6 tonne, your 8 tonne, your 11 tonne and your 15 tonne. So we can basically do any vehicle that is out there today. So straight away when you take it out of the box, you notice the quality in the bag. Start off with, you've got your recovery blanket. If you don't know how to use a recovery blanket properly, the best thing you can do is go and do a 4-wheel drive course, learn how to use this stuff correctly. Then you've got our vinyl pouch that we have our bow shackles in. So you've got a 5.75 and then you've got 2 4.75 shackles. All in a nice handy pouch so it doesn't roll around in the back of the car. You then got really good quality leather gloves. In this particular kit, what I'm showing you is our 11 tonne snatch strap. So whenever you're using a snatch strap in a recovery, you always want to make it suit the smallest vehicle that is actually in the recovery process. So you want to use a snatch strap that is 2 to 3 times the weight of the vehicle. So if you've got a 2 tonne vehicle as the smallest one, you're only using a 6 tonne strap, and then you work it out accordingly from there. It's not bigger is better because it uses the kinetic energy to actually pull the vehicle out. It's not bigger and better, otherwise you won't actually get that strap working properly. Then you've got the static strap of an equalizer strap. So this is a 3 metre 10 tonne equalizer strap. You want to equalise the load between your 2 mounting points, or your 2 recovery points I should say. So you basically mount that to your recovery points and then you mount the snatch strap to the centre of the equaliser strap. Then we've also thrown in a hook strap, as well as a joiner strap. So if you've ever got to join 2 snatch straps together, the last thing you want to do is actually tie them together, because with the kinetic energy that is absorbed through that recovery, you'll find it very, very hard to get them apart. So just by putting this in the middle, makes it very easier to get them apart. And as per normal, you get our All for Adventure stubby holder and some stickers and so forth as well. So that's a quick rundown of our complete snatch kit. Don't forget, go to outbackarmour.com.au, find your closest dealer and they can help you order one of these babies straight away.